Alright guys, so CapCut has been one of those tools that have been fundamental in my content creation journey, and today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how you can use CapCut to edit short form content specifically. A lot of us are on Instagram and TikTok, and a lot of us are aspiring content creators, and this video might just be for you. So if you're looking to improve the quality of your short form content, make sure that you stay tuned for the duration of this video. We've also grown a YouTube channel to over 50,000 subscribers using CapCut editing. Now that is for long form content, but today I'm going to show you a short form content example specifically with gym content. So what you want to do is you want to start by importing, so you can go directly to your files, right? So you can scroll through your files. Let's find some gym content, and now we can simply, let's see what we can change here. So I'm obviously going to do this in portrait, guys, because this is obviously the format that you post on Instagram, TikTok, and so forth. All right, so I've imported my file that I want to use. So this is just me in the gym doing a chest press. Now, the first thing that we look at when we editing this type of content is that we want a dark aesthetic look to this. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to the adjustments, and we need to go to exposure. So I'd like to drop the exposure by at least a -30. And already you can see that this increases the contrast, and it just gives you that overall dark vibe that you're looking for. The next thing that we want to do is we want to drop the temperature to about -10, drop the tint to -5, and the saturation can also be dropped to about -8. Right, so that is your first step. Now, if you look at this video specifically, we already have drastic improvements. Not only, I mean, look at the contrast between black and white here. It's improved, and the overall quality is just improved. Next, we want to go to the contrast setting. And this I'd like to keep at about a 5. Right? Then highlights we can drop to about 20. And remember, this is specifically if you are especially a fitness creator, or you film in dark settings like this or indoor settings. This is actually a very pleasing look to have. Now, shadows we want to emphasize, so we can drop them with -8. All right, so that's almost what we want it to look like, guys. So as you can see, I'm just sorting out the overall look of the video first before I do any cuts and so forth. Sharpen, we can go up to a 10, and then to focus more on the center piece, which is obviously you in the video, we can add a little bit of this last setting here. So what this does is you can see that the borders or the corners are getting darker and darker, and this is to emphasize focus on the central point. I always like to keep this at about a 10. And then if you want the more retro look to the video, for example, a more old school look, you can increase the fade a little bit, and you can increase the grain with this particle setting. So that is all up to you to do. You can also, just for a little extra, update the clarity to about 5. So we've done all our main adjustments, guys, as you can see. So let's just run through them. We dropped the temperature to a cooler blue look. We dropped the tints, we dropped the saturation, the exposure, we can drop it even more if we want to. We can go up to 35 if you really want to, depends on you. And then contrast, you can play around with, but I'd like to generally keep it at a 5. Okay, so now what we want to do is, obviously we want to cut out the beginning, or let's say we want to cut out this part where I'm sitting. Right, here, use this tool, okay. So it's a very simple interface to use. And now if you run through the video, for example, I'm just going to mute it. So there, and say, okay, there, right? And obviously you can do splits here, which means that you can cut between sets. For example, you could cut between, so there I just started pressing, and here, for example, I walked around a little bit, right? So you can cut from there to this, all right, and then to create a bit of dramatic effects, just sitting there staring into the distance. Then we can obviously cut from here. Now obviously this is going to depend on the type of style that you want, guys. So very easy tools to use here. Simple split tool. This deletes everything to the left, and this deletes everything to the right. So these are fantastic tools that you can use. Now if we want to create something a little bit more complex, we can actually go click on the first part of the clip, go to animation, and then as you can see, here are numerous ways that the video will basically begin. So if I click the unfold, for example, you can see what effect that is, right? So it gives kind of a blur, and then it focuses in on you or the subject. We have a swoosh, and there are many different settings or effects here that you can play around with. So that's just very simple. Now with these dark gym edits, the best thing that you can do for yourself is add some texture, right? And we want to keep this basic, guys. We want to keep this as basic as possible. We can stick with the system font. We drop this to about an 8 or a 7. We make sure that it's center. And then what I normally do is you can go, for example, to ChatGPT, all right? And you could say the following: I make dark aesthetic, oh my goodness, aesthetic gym reels. Give me 5 on-screen captions as well as descriptions. Okay, you can ask ChatGPT to do that. And as you see, so we have an on-screen caption and we have a description caption. So the on-screen caption, the weight doesn't care about your excuses. We copy that directly over. We go back to CapCut and we just paste it into this box. So obviously you can play around with the size of this. It depends on what you want, but normally this size is about perfect. And as you can see, this is a nice dark aesthetic look. Now if you want to make it better for yourself, when you post this on TikTok or you post it on Instagram, wherever you post it, you add audios that really make people think. Now I don't know if you guys heard those kind of those little motivational speeches, or I would almost say those audios where people are in their thoughts, right? It can be a motivational speech. It could be a quote or a segment from a movie that they took the audio from that was very impactful in terms of what they were saying. That type of audio really does well on gym edits like this. But guys, yeah, that's basically it. So there's nothing complicated about it. What you do need to remember though, that if you want this dark aesthetic look, obviously you're going to have to drop the exposure quite considerably, and I always like to move towards a cooler temperature here. And the reason that I'm saying that is if you move towards a warmer temperature, it begins to look, just out of place. So move towards the bluer range, right here, -10 to -20 is what you want to be at. And also the saturation you can also play around with, but I tend to keep that at a maximum of -10. So this is a really easy way in which you can edit these aesthetic gym content type of reels quickly and effectively, and they are visually pleasing. Let me actually show you an example of a finished one that I did. All right, so here, for example, is a finished one that I did yesterday. As you can see, the corners are darkened. Overall dark setting, the contrast is increased in every setting here with that motivational quotes in the back. As you can see, this looks really nice, guys. So this is, and I do recommend that you put in these fast cuts in between and do not make your video longer than about 15 seconds. So yeah, guys, that's an easy way that you can use CapCut to edit short form content with a dark aesthetic look. If you want more content like this, there's plenty coming up There's plenty more coming up, so make sure that you guys do subscribe to How to Master It, and I'll see you next time.